Guys, let's give problem 3 on homework 8 a stab. Okay, so problem 3 is pretty short, and I'm going to pull up my Sketchpad to kind of get it done with you guys. So stall cycles increase the CPI. So all I really need to do for this first one is figure out what happens when I guess wrong about what a branch is going to do. So I know branches take 24.3% of the time. My pen is not cooperating. Let me try writing that again. 24, I have to slow down my writing, 0.3% of the time. And assume that branch outcomes are determined in the execution stage. Fine, fine, fine. In other words, there's nothing here to trick you. That's all that's basically saying. What's the extra CPI due to mispredicted branches? Well, it's simple in this case. You're basically going to take the 59.1 and once where it's wrong, this is an accuracy measurement, right? So this is the percentage of time it's right. So in order to figure out what the penalty is when it's wrong, I have to subtract that from 1 to basically get, and it would be from 100. So this will be a percent here, right? So you're going to end up with what, 40.9? No, 40 point, yeah, I think that's right. So 40.9 times the percentage of time it takes to get that you run into a branch instruction, which is 243. Now, the only other piece of data that we're missing here is the number of cycles that a miss takes, and it tells us 5 stall cycles. So I'm going to take the 5 cycles that I spend and multiply it by these penalties, and should be able to get my my answer. So I'm curious if I got it. So 1 minus 0.591, it is 0.409. And then I'm going to multiply that by the 5 cycles penalty, and then by the percentage of time that my instruction is a branch instruction. So about a quarter of the instructions are branch instructions. And when I get one of those, my always taken predictor is off pretty badly. But that number, 0.49, blah, 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 is the answer. Right? So that's how you're going to calculate that. For the never taken, the always taken, it's just the opposite, right? So it is possible to have that one be more accurate, and it has less of a CPI impact. Pretty simple for that problem.